Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this delicious Dirty Shirley Temple drink. You guys, this one is the drink of summer. It's so good, only 4 ingredients. Let's get started. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up drinking Shirley Temples. I still sometimes order a Shirley Temple at the restaurant. My kids love them. They are awesome. And if you're making them from your kids, just leave the vodka out and you'll be good to go. We're gonna start with some ice. I've got these pretty little circle ices that I love. These little spheres, they're so fun. All right, we're gonna add in 1 ounce of grenadine. One ounce of vodka. And then we're just gonna top it off with some Sprite. This is just an 8-ounce can. Next, we're just gonna give us a good stir. And we're gonna top it with a couple maraschino cherries. I love maraschino cherries, so I always add like 3 to my drink. How easy is that? That's it, we're all done with this easy Dirty Shirley Temple drink. This one is so good, you've gotta try it. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together. I make easy recipes to make your life just a little bit simpler. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.